Alright, I'm putting the body lift on. I already took some bolts off and everything. Cab mounts. I took those bolts all out last night. And I took the front bumper off. I might put a different bumper on it. I'm not sure yet. Because the other one I got is straighter and all that. Then I took all this off. Which there's like a bunch of brackets and stuff for that. Yeah, they said to break that bottom one down. That the bottom piece on the shroud. They told me they want you to cut that, so I cut it. Right there. Yeah. So now I have to disconnect a few other things like that, and probably brake lines so I don't break them, but they'll probably break anyways. So I'm gonna just start disconnecting everything, and yeah, it'll be 3 inches higher with my 38s. I got 38 Super Swampers that I'm gonna put on. Those ones are 35s. I still got the box bolts to take off. The 38s are over there. Right there. I gotta fix that plow truck too. There you go. Alright, well, I got a little bit of stuff done. Pretty much what you want to do is take all the bolts and everything out first before you start raising it. I did break a brake line. While I was taking the bolt out, I broke. I'm kind of out of breath now. Oh yeah, you get that off, and then all of that. That's how you do it. You just put a block there, jack it up, and later on in the future it'll be a lot easier to work on. That's for sure. Yeah, don't mind the crappy tire. That's how much higher it's gonna be. Yeah, pretty much. So I'll just get this side done, get the other side done, and then get the box all unbolted. I didn't get that one done yet. Okay, well I got the blocks in for now. I didn't tighten the bolts. You can see the bolts are not tight. Supposed to put some Loctite on them, and I did. It'll be a little bit higher. And hold on, gotta get underneath this thing. There's this piece right here that you gotta put in. Oh no. Yeah. Hopefully I don't hit the frame right there. I didn't even see that. Oh boy. Well, yeah. Alrighty then, if I can get back up. Oh boy, I broke something else. Oh well, whatever. That's what you do with that, is just throw it. Now I gotta line all that. And put that back on. And then I gotta do something here to take all that off. And take all the bolts out for the box. Daylight, huh? Yeah, that's because there's a rust hole in the box. I should probably clean this out so it's a little lighter. You can tell it was sitting for a while. There's that black all over it. I couldn't get that before. Yeah, well, yeah, I'll just get the back end done and I'll be back on that. Alright, well I got the whole body lift on. Now it all lines up too. I was worried about that not lining up pretty good, but it does pretty good. I got all of it in there. Blocks there, but I don't have these pieces in. So I don't really have a welder to weld that to the frame right now. And I got that in there. Got the ground all hooked up. It's not that bad doing it. I left that on. They told me to take that off, and they're telling me to take the spare stuff out, but whatever, I just left it in there. And then they told me to take all this apart, but it looks fine. I mean, there's plenty enough room. It's not really too stretched. Yeah, it's a full tank of gas in here. It's been that way for 2 months. I was smart and got it when it's cheap. My breather, I should probably get a hole right through there and pull it up. I'm going to be putting stock tires on here so I can get up on a trailer to get my exhaust fixed. Because it won't fit on the trailer with these tires, they stick out too much. That's why I got that one on there. But I'm going to do all this next. There's like little brackets and stuff, I'll show you when I get that on. And then I'm just painted that, so while I'm letting that dry, should probably put another coat on there. I just use the normal, it's a normal paint. That's all I use. I've been using that for years. Yeah, looks pretty good right there. And then with the bumper, I'm gonna use a stock one. I don't want to use this one. I got the brackets on there. I wanted to use this one that's over here because it's metal and not gonna crack or break on me too much. And that one I don't really care about too much. But then I'll get all that all put together and then I'll put this back on. And that, I guess. I mean, it hasn't had easy in it probably forever. So never gonna have it again. Because I cut the lines off. I done that last year. So this is all next. So I'll show you that when I get done with it. And I'll probably get done with that too. Eventually. In a minute or two. Probably an hour. Just kidding. Then I'm gonna put 38s on it. But I gotta bring these into work with me. And switch them out. Because I got the 38s on Chevy rims and they're 6-lug. And these are 5-lug. I gotta put the 38s on these rims. And at least I can do that on my own time. She's a little big now. The 38s on there should be up a little bit bigger. Alright. Well, I will be back. Alright, got the bumper on. And everything like that. Got that on. Little brackets. It sits a little lower than what it's supposed to because of the body lift. Not bad. I still need to put that wire somewhere in the ground. And then I got that all on there. Can't really, yeah. There we go. Got this all zip tied so a little bit of mud will stay out of there. Should have done that a long time ago. And this side is a little ripped up pretty bad. Yeah. And I got this all on. Perfect, I guess. And yeah, I took the ends off the brake lines. Now I just gotta cut this up and put that in there and weld it. They should just give you a longer, shifter linkage. And there you go. Now I'm gonna take the 35s off, bring them into work this week, and put my 38s on there already loaded up. Yeah, like those light tail lights. Yeah, pretty nice. Got some 38s. Let's see, there's Chevy 6 log. Huh. Kind of ripped it. My bad. Where is the size? There it is. I see 38, 12, 5, 15. I think those will do a little bit of mean stuff. These did pretty good. The STT Pro is a pretty good mud tire if you get it. It's not bad. Well, I'm just going to put some rollers on here. It'll look small, but you can kind of see here that's pretty big. Not bad. But I am definitely tired now. Yeah. So yeah, I got all that stuff on there. So I'll be back with you as soon as I can get the exhaust done and tires. So it'll probably be still a week. I got this welded. It's not bad. It's a little piece. Right there to like right there. Now it's longer. Now I'm gonna paint it. Do I have black left? Oh, I'm gonna paint it and just I'll be back with putting it in, or after I put it in. Okay, now I painted it white because that was the first paint can I found. Nice and white, I guess. Yeah, that's fine. So this is a paint I used. Like normal, I always use that. And I'll be back when I get that in. Got the 38s on it. Not bad. The exhaust is all done. Let's see if I can get under here and show you. Alrighty. Got these in there. Kind of put it in the frame right here a little bit. Let's see. It's completely true. True duals. You don't. Yeah. Oh. Don't look bad. I guess. Yep. Perfect true duals. Not bad looking at all. Yeah. Look at that. She sticks out. Wow. God, the sun is bright on this truck, that's for sure. Alright, let's go start her up. So I can put the hammer down. Sure. I got oil all over my screen. Alright. Oh. I hear a little rattle in there. I don't know if you can hear it, but I can. Yeah. Go back on it. I don't think that's too bad. It's just about right. Well, I think that'll do it for this video. So please subscribe to my channel to see more. I mean, like, that's pretty nice. It's got enough ground clearance now, that's for sure. Alright, just remember to subscribe. Thanks for watching.